What's up, guys? I'm Dr. Chris Dorsa here with Dr. Goodman. Today we're going to run through some McKenzie exercises for the low back. So starting off with our first progression, I'm going to have Lisa come down onto the floor. She's going to come onto her stomach and rest her hands by her sides. With this position, we're going to hang out here for about 2 to 3 minutes. We're really trying to rest and relax the low back. So after 2 to 3 minutes, if that feels good, we're going to jump on to progression number 2. I'm going to have Lisa come up to her elbows. So her low back is resting on the floor and her upper body is coming up. So again, here, we're going to stay here for about 2 to 3 minutes. If everything feels good here, we're going to move into progression number 3, where I'm going to have her take her hands right below her shoulders, and she's going to press up her upper body. This time we're doing reps. So she's going to come up as high as she can go comfortably, and then come on down after about 1 to 2 seconds. And she's going to come up a little bit higher this time, working to further increase that range there. The low back is resting on the ground, so hips making contact with the floor. And we want to eventually end up with extended elbows. So this is McKenzie progressions. Check out our other videos for active rehab.